Hi Mainspring parents and students, welcome to Crafts with Khyla. Oops, I forgot to record an intro video, so we're just going to get started. So below you'll see a list of Mainspring May babies because we are going to make a birthday card. So first we're going to fold a piece of construction paper, hot dog style, in half and smooth out the corner. And then you have a card. Now take whatever marker of your choice and write a nice happy birthday message at the top. Can you guys guess who's gonna be my special birthday card person? Miss Sabrina, happy birthday. And now you can add whatever little special birthday pictures you want. Right now I'm going to make some balloons, which is very simple. Just a few ovals, just like that, and color it in. And make the string. Next, we're going to add some confetti for fun. Now, just like other cards, we want to write a nice, sweet little message in the inside. But first, I always like to date my cards for the year. And this year is 2020. You can write a general message or something personal. It's up to you. And you always want to make sure that you sign your cards, just so the person knows who it's from. And there you have it.
And that was it with Crafts with Khyla. Thanks for watching.